Hello guys, welcome to the video. Today I'll tell you how to extract business leads of doctors from Yellow Pages UK website by using Yellow Pages Spider software. First of all, you need to download and install Yellow Pages Spider software from the link given in the video's description. After the installation done, just open Yellow Pages Spider. Select the website Yellow Pages UK from the top of the screen. When the page is loaded, just click on the first box and enter the business name, Doctors. Now enter the city name, for example London, in the second box and click the search button. When the data is loaded, click on the button, Get Data. The data starts collecting in rows and columns. When the extraction of the data is done, just click on the Stop button. And then click on Export Data button to get the data in the Excel sheet. So guys, hope you understand the video completely. Thanks for watching the video.